Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to see the cursor talk to Figma plugin and if it really works. So this is like a plugin to just talk with Figma and create something from here. So I'm just gonna do this and let's go to VS Code. You can use VS Code or Figma for this. So I'll do talk with Figma and I'll say connect with channel this one. Oh, it seems that I have lots of tools. I'll remove some things. Perfect. Let's try again. So I just told to connect with this channel here, and let's see if that works. Not connected to Figma. Okay, there seems to be a problem. Let's see if the MCP server is enabled properly here. Yeah, that's correct, I think. Okay, I'll disconnect. Not again. Let's try if it works now. Talk to Figma. Why is it two things? Okay, talk to Figma. Connect to channel. This one. Let's see. Let's see if this one works. Successfully joined. Perfect. Okay, so create a website for a habit tracking app. Let's see if this works. So this MCP server just talks with Figma and maybe create new code with Figma. So you can select something and it creates a new code in Figma for that, or it creates new frames and everything. See, this is so much bigger than what I thought, but that's fine. Why does it have a height of 5,000? I don't know, but yeah, it's going on. It's creating the layout. It's adding a background color. It added a header and it's adding a logo. So all of this is creating over here. Okay, all of this is happening. Right over here. Perfect. So hopefully this works. But yeah, so this MCP server just goes and creates whatever you want basically, and I really like this idea. I don't, if I can help it, I don't want to create new Figma things anymore. I am a designer. I spend like 6+ hours a day in Figma, but if this can, reduce some of the hours, that's perfectly fine, and it's probably really helpful in most places, but it's not there yet. The design is very basic and it feels like an AI is creating this. This actually feels like the first version of V0 or Lovable or Bolt, where it's like it creates only very basic UI. It creates very straightforward UI, but now Bolt and Lovable creates like a very modern, very better UI compared to what it was like a year ago. So I'm thinking that this also will be better sometime soon, but right now it's just fun to watch this create something with auto layout, I'm guessing. Yeah, this has auto layout, so it's just fun to watch it create something with auto layout and try to create whatever I ask it to. So yeah, I probably won't be using this anytime soon. Maybe to create some code with the Figma thing, I'll probably use this, but I probably won't be using this just to build something in Figma, because I can make something even better than this. But to start off, to create some wireframes, this is great. So yeah, that's it for this video. This will go on forever. I once had like first I tried it out. It just went on for like 500 iterations, like 30 minutes plus. So this will probably go on forever. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.